Hello everyone, Vannda here, and I'm going to be playing a game called Project Cat. I don't know anything about this, but it's like a horror game, and it's supposed to be about 45 minutes long. It should take that amount of time. But I'll probably take longer, so let's just new game. Use the arrow keys to move. Okay. Whee! It's a tree! Are all these trees dead, or are the leaves just off? Are these leaves? Do I follow these? Press Z to interact with the environment. Oof. It's a flower, I think. Yep, it's a flower. There's a white flower on the ground. I thought it was pink at first. It kind of looks pink. Press Z to pick up items. Take flower? No! Fine, I'll take the flower. Imagine the flower becomes evil and kills me. Press X to open the menu and see your items. Okay. Objectives? I have no objectives, I'm guessing. This place is beautiful, and all the trees look dead. The building ahead seems locked somehow. How does it look locked? Oh, am I supposed to put a flower in that vase or whatever? I mean, that's what it's showing here. So to use an item, stand close and select the item from the menu. So the flower sank into the water, and I drowned it. I don't think I know how to say words, and what the fuck is that? Pity? You thought that would work? You should be more careful about the decisions you make. The solution may seem obvious, but there is always another way. You may not notice it right away, but your actions will have an impact sooner or later. Just like life. Just like in life, your actions have consequences or an impact, and you don't know, and sometimes you can't tell right away. And that's like pretty much every game I play. You may not even remember what you did to cause it. I probably should make this thing sound even more evil, but is this blood or strawberry jam? Or raspberry jam? Either someone's dead or someone doesn't know how to clean up their strawberry jam.
You may not even...
Oh yeah, I already read that.
Sadly, regret is always in the shadow of choice.
This is the best voice I could ever give a creepy looking character.
Also, you know very well this isn't your home.
Yeah, I'm a burglar. I hope this is just some messed up dream. Or a fever dream. Some sort of weird dream. Or maybe I had too much to drink last week. And night. And minute. And second. Yeah, I know this isn't my home. Whose is it?
So why do you mess with things that don't belong to you?
I always mess with things that don't belong to me. Especially in games. Mostly in games.
You're not welcome here.
Is this your house? Are we not friends? You're not friends with me? Since when are we not friends?
This isn't some silly game.
Wait, I thought I was playing a game. I mean, I don't think it's silly, but I thought it was a game.
Look. This is the result of your actions.
I killed it. I'm sorry. Is this your flower? Is this your house? You've got lovely hands.
The result of your expectations. Things are not always what they seem.
What do you think? I think that's a bird. I killed a bird. I thought I was just killing a flower, but no, it's a bird. It's a bird.
Does this still look like a flower to you?
It looks like a bird, but you just said things are not always what they seem, so it may not be a bird.
You're not prepared to deal with the truth.
That I'm a serial killer. I usually only murder her Fruit Loops. And now I decided to kill a bird.
Are you? I can't stop you from coming. But if you're foolish enough to cross my path, I will make out with you.
Yes, please.
I'll kill you myself.
Cool!
Such is the way of our world.
Was that still that thing talking? I knew it was just a dream. Whoa, weird dream. I don't know what voice to give you. I'm assuming you're cat. I could be wrong though.
Is everybody gone already? Looks like it's 11. I should get to it.
Project Cat. You're adorable when you sleep. It went way too quick. No. I don't know what you look like, so that's just gonna be your voice. I'm probably gonna forget it.
You moved it.
I don't know who I
didn't, I swear. I hate this type of thing. This can't possibly be happening.
I'm just gonna make everyone sound like demons, except for or a cat and the actual thing that looks like a demon.
It's spelled die.
Okay, I changed my mind. I'm gonna be giving them all different voices.
Did it spell die?
Their pretty girl is gonna have an annoying voice.
Oh no. Stop joking around, this is serious. We should not have played this game.
I told you we're going to be cursed. There, I'm giving a manly voice to a girl with a ponytail.
What was that?
Is that a ghost? We summoned a ghost. Damn, she looks scared. She looks legit terrified.
Oh my god, I didn't get to read all of that. You're making too much noise. Oh, it's just cat.
What? It's with the crazy knocking. What was that for?
Did that spook you? You're not supposed to be here, you know. I could say the same about you. Why are you here?
Actually, say hello to the new member of the cult club. Yay! A cult! One of my favorite things. I had the wonderful opportunity to meet all of the members yesterday. I don't recall seeing you there. You three are not part of the club, are you? It's only been you of all people as the cult type, Kate. That's because I'm not.
Hey! Hey! We're doing something here!
Yeah, you're playing with a Ouija board! That's not the good thing to do! Get a real hobby! Get a boyfriend, get a girlfriend, get some significant other, or do something better with your life than that. I'll save you the trouble. All three of you, move it.
Huh?
That and chat from your game. You all moved it. There's no ghost in the room. There's a simple scientific explanation. It's called the idiom effect. That's it for this video. Oh god, she's talking too much. She's talking very fast and way too much. I didn't read any of that, but that's it for this video. See you next time. Bye.